Hey, welcome to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today we're making a spatchcocked Cajun turkey. We are starting with a 12-pound butterball frozen turkey. It's mostly thawed, it's a little frozen still in the center, but that's gonna be fine. And the other thing you're gonna need is the How to Barbecue Right Ultimate Brine Kit. This comes with everything you need. It comes with bird brine, Killer Hogs, AP seasoning, and Malcom's King Craw. Also comes with 2 heavy-duty bags. So you get the AP, King Craw, bird brine, and these massive Ziploc bags. You get 2 of them. I will link in the description. What I like to do is take the bag, I'm gonna open it up and turn it out. Roll the top down, open it up. Place it in the bag. Now you fill the bag with water. I'm thinking about 2 gallons should do it. There, that'll submerge the bird. So 2 gallons will do it. So what you do is you put in Malcolm's bird brine. You put in a cup for every gallon, 1 to 1. 1 cup of this to 1 gallon of water. I have 2 gallons of water. So I'm just gonna eyeball 2 cups. That's probably about good. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take the Malcolm's King Craw. I'm gonna put about 2 cups of that in as well. That's good. Now we'll zip this up. Give it a good squeeze, no air leaked out. Now we'll start sloshing it around to mix it up. So we will let some air out. So if you're putting this in your fridge, what I like to do, take some butcher's twine and tie the top here, and then place it in a container that'll keep it from spilling all over the fridge. I'm gonna be doing mine in a cooler. I'll place it in the cooler. I'll put ice in here. That's gonna help push the liquid around and completely cover the bird. And then I'll shut the lid with the bag half out like this. With the bag out a little bit. And then we let it sit, either overnight, 24 hours, you can probably go up to 48 hours, but I wouldn't go over 48 hours. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. And we're back 24 hours later. Take this out. So I just pick any of the seeds and stems off of it. I don't rinse it off. I'm not worried about that. So I'm going to cut on either side of the spine with a set of shears. This will allow us to open it up and spatchcock it, and that will even out the cooking times. It makes it for a faster cooking bird, and it's my preferred method. That cut right here with a pair of scissors or knife. And then we can flip it over. Take the wings, tuck them behind them, like that. We're just going to pat this dry. I'll flip the legs back over. You just want it as dry as possible. I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight, just like this on the wire rack. That's going to allow the air to circulate around it. It's going to help dry the skin right out. That way we end up with a nice crispy skin. So just in the fridge like this till tomorrow afternoon, then we cook it. See you then. After an overnight in the brine, then an overnight in the fridge on a wire rack, today's the day that we're going to finally cook this thing. First thing I'm going to do is flip it over. Now we're going to take some Malcolm's King Craw and we're going to season the backside. Any extra moisture that's on the skin, we will blot off now. Now we're going to take some avocado oil. And we're going to rub that in on the skin side. That'll help with browning. and our rub stick. Rub to stick, not rub stick. I took a large onion, I cut about 1/4 inch thick pieces. I'm gonna place that underneath the breast. I'm gonna start with the smallest one in the middle. This is going to lift the breast up a little bit, but it's also going to protect the underside of the breast meat from cooking, because we want the dark meat to cook faster than the white meat. Now we got a nice coating of the avocado oil. We're going to start seasoning the skin with the King Craw. Move the legs up, get underneath them. Get that nice pat in. Now what we're going to do, got the pellet grill off still. We're going to take this whole wire rack and we're just going to place it in there just like that. That's going to make transporting it in and out of the smoker so much easier. We don't have to worry about it falling apart while we're trying to move it. We're going to let the Z grill run at 275 degrees. We'll check on it in an hour, see where the meat temperature is. We're probably going to take about 2.5 to 3 hours to do this. See ya. After 2 hours, the breasts were way behind the thighs, which is perfect. That's what I wanted because of the onions underneath there that help deflect a lot of the heat and keep it from overcooking the breast. Putting this in the fridge overnight was perfect. Nice and crispy skin. Now we'll cut into this and see how we did. So we're just going to cut here. Half the bird. You can see, got a little smoke ring on it. Perfectly crispy skin. I gotta try the skin. See how we did. That looks nice. Cut a couple more slices of this and then we'll try it. Grab one of the breasticles. Look at that, you can see right on it. Nice and juicy. This is so good. So good. That Cajun seasoning has absorbed all the way through the meat. The bird brine really helped keep everything juicy, pulling it out 155 degrees, that helped as well. Crispy skin, a little bit of a spice to it. Super juicy turkey, what else could you want? All right, hit that like and subscribe button. We got more videos coming out every week. I'll have a link to the bird brine. I'll have a link to the Z grills. Makes a fantastic turkey. All right, see ya. It's dinner time.